How to edit your Facebook Reels after posting. So for today's video, we're going to learn how to edit your Facebook Reels after posting it. Of course, what we're going to do first is to open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Then, log in to your preferred account. Now to go over to the Reels option, you just have to select this menu bar right here, and there you will see the Reels option. Let's actually go ahead and try to post a Reel. Let me pick a video right here, just do some modifications, then click Next. It's basically just finishing up in here before we can post it. Once the video has been uploaded successfully, it will now appear here on your newsfeed page. The next thing that you want to do to edit this is to select the three dots right here, and you will see various options that may allow you to edit or manage your post. Upon checking, you have the options to save reel, pin to your reels, download reel, edit privacy, and delete. Now, this has been a recent update from Facebook, which is now called Meta, where in the option Edit Reel, all users are allowed to edit the description for your posted reels, cover photo, or thumbnail, and more. Just click Save once you're satisfied from your edits. If the changes didn't appear automatically, just refresh the post and you will be able to view the changes. And that's basically it. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.